You see in the distance, coming over the hill, a beautiful, white, fluffy sheep. They are walking slowly towards you, and you can tell that this meadow is his home. They walk past you, glancing over your way, as if politely saying hello. Slowly fading from your view. You see another beautiful sheep come over the hill against the beautiful blue backdrop of the sky. This sheep is very large and strong, walking past with pride. This must be the leader of the pack. His fur looks so soft as he slowly walks past you and into the distance. Another sheep appears on the horizon as the sun is beginning to set. The sky is slowly turning a bright yellow. This sheep is dainty and elegant. She has a long, slender face, and her fur almost sways in the breeze. Watch as she slowly passes you by, almost gliding through the grass with grace. She disappears into the distance. Two small lambs are next to come into view. The sky behind them has turned into dark yellow and orange, fading into pink, and then deep purple. They trot through the meadow with happiness, both enjoying each other's company. They pass by, bringing you deep feelings of comfort. They too fade into the nighttime distance. You are feeling so relaxed, watching the sheep. How many have you seen so far? The first one, the big and strong one, the graceful one, the two little ones. You see a sixth sheep come over the hill, and a seventh. Continue counting them as they pass you by, going into the distance.